We already have some trades on. Let's look at a couple of them. We've got Meta. The Meta trade that we took is an October trade. So the October trade we took is somewhere around 740, like around here. We have a put debit spread down here for October. We're looking to see if this can break through the 50 and travel down to the 100 period simple or close to it. At least get that first move, and then we can think about more. It's oversold, overbought stock for sure. It's overvalued. I mean, look at the weekly. The weekly has been struggling here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks, and we're right where we were, right? 9 weeks ago. 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks we're at the same spot. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35 weeks ago, we were here on the downward move. So we got ourselves a debit spread, but the debit spread was a little expensive. So what we did was we got the somewhere around 780. I think it was the 785s. Let me see. 775, 780. So we had that for last week and we got a credit for it. But price was starting to push a little bit towards 775, putting these at risk. So I rolled them to this week and got a nice fat credit for it to roll it. Big ass credit. So now I got 2 credits going against my measly little, whatever these were. I got 6 of them. What are they, like 200? Let's see, 1260 divided by 6. 210. Did I really spend 210? Let's see. What was the actual trade on Meta? 205. Yeah. I think I waited a little too long. So I ended up paying 210, even though some of you probably got 205. And so that was for the 745, 740s. That's this right here for October. You can see my allocation. Now you might, those of you that know the way I trade, my burn level, those of you that have done this with me before, my burn level is around 1,200. I have about a $70,000 account. It's about 1,200 is what I feel comfortable with, which means my pilot's going to be less than that. My pilot's closer to 900. Let's say 850 to 900. I can go up to 950. This 850 to 950, that's my pilot. But what do I teach? Trade less than your pilot. So typically my trades are around 800 or below, right around 800, unless I'm dipping my toe in the water, right? Look at, for instance, here, Oxy. This is a legacy trade. Look what I have in it. 690, about 700, pilot position. The SPY, what I have left, that is what I have left. So that doesn't count. IWM, this is a roll, so that doesn't count either. Coin, that's also, I only have a couple of these left, so that doesn't apply. VIX is usually a lot here. The VIX, a lot less than my normal pilot. So you can see my normal, these are my allocations, right? So why did I spend 1260 when my pilot position is typically closer to 850, 900? The reason for that is I got 220, 210. I paid 210 for the 745, 740 puts, these. But I received $1.10 credit for the 775 80s. So the trade ended up costing me $1 basically for the trade. Great. Except for the fact that I had to roll it again. But you can see that's why I've got, 6 of them. 6 of them times 100 is what? $600. That falls just below my pilot. Got it? So this trade we have on All that has to happen is that Meta closes below 775 on Friday. If it does, then this will expire worthless and I get to keep the credit. And then I've got this trade right here, super cheap, 745, 740s, and it's for October monthly. Now I can add to the trade and play around with it. And that was that strategy.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.